A very good morning, everybody. So today I'll be showing you my Alexa Hackathons hack. So a very good morning to one and all present here. So today I'll be showing you my Alexa Hackathons hack, which is a Monopoly skill. So basically what it does is it manages the entire Monopoly game board for the user. So what happens in every Monopoly game is that one specific user has to become the bank manager and keep an account of all transactions, which is very annoying. So to eliminate this, we use a virtual person as the Alexa, which will be Alexa Skill itself. So what it basically does is it manages the entire bank account of the user, as well as entire bank account of the game, as well as the entire board itself, and also rolls the dice. So you don't really need a physical board or any physical mementos, those icons to play around, or dice. So just few voice commands and you're through with the game. So this is the code. This is a lambda function, as you can see. Then this is something related to the lambda function too, which is for the output. Then this is the entire backend of the game, which is quite suitable for the lambda. Which is quite suitable for with the lambda function. We have coded the entire thing in Python, and the return utterances. So this takes return utterances very randomly, because one, we have a list of utterances, and we are using random function to pick one, to make sure that the users don't always keep listening to the same statements. And so let's look into the VUI part. So the VUI part has obviously the intents which were mentioned in the lambda function, the cancel, help, and all other basic intents like the yes or no. And there are few custom intents, not a few, more than a few custom intents, which, like, say the number of players, which takes the number of players. Then next player, which is to go to the next person's turn. Then dice roll, which is basically asking the user to roll the dice, and all corresponding utterances to these intents. And we have one slot function here, which takes one slot here, which takes the number of users into account to set up the board, the Monopoly board, and other intents which we need to run the game. Okay, so let's try a test model. So since it's Monopoly Master, let's try the opening. So let's say open Monopoly Master. So you can't really hear the computer sound as it's blocked. But you can read it over here. Welcome to Monopoly Master, and how many are in. So say I try to test the same thing again, right? Just to make sure that it's not giving me the same input again. So let's see. So it's a complete different utterance over here. So we have kept variation now. So to make sure we don't bore the user, then let's say we have 4 players. Okay. Let's use 2. Problem is due to the numbering over here. I can't really use voice commands right now because it won't support. Open Monopoly Master. Open Monopoly Master. Okay, I'm using the voice. I'm using it to record the screen, so it won't take. I'm really sorry for this. I don't think it'll take again, because I need to use the voice command to show you, but I can't. 4. Yeah, it won't take now because of the numbering thing. But anyway, since the skill has been tested and it works perfectly with the voice response, and the utterance and the written utterances are pretty good too. I mean, there's quite a lot of variation. It won't feel like you're coming back to the same thing. Let me try one last time. It doesn't give any input to this. Okay, so that was the this is the back end, the lambda function. This is the front end with the skill. That's it. Thank you.